Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Friday, June 12th. Have you ever paused on your walk and looked up through the trees? Such a beautiful view, and the sun just right. Hello, I'm Jenna Ambridge. I'm the Assistant Director at Sky Lake Camp and Retreat Center here, and I'm bringing you on my hike today as I come through on witch hazel, and I'm coming down through what was the hilltop, and I've come down into the lower flats, and I'm going to change the angle here if I can find where it is. There it is. Coming down through the path through the high grass at the moment, and look at these beautiful, gorgeous ferns. If you've joined me on hikes before, this is where I should have come to find the fiddleheads. Let's look at all these beautiful ferns. Hi Maggie. Hi Betsy and Matt. This is sometimes a very wet area. We haven't had a lot of walking on the trail, so this grass area here is pretty high. Usually it's worn down a little bit more, but this part of the trail, just a beautiful area. It's a nice cool breeze. As I was going on the hike today, I was thinking earlier about seeing notices on social media about a lot of students having their last day of school, and all the hard work that's been put in by elementary students, middle school students, high school students, seniors, even those that have graduated this year from college or have completed another year and moving on to the next level, even those of graduate school or doctoral level. So I was thinking about that, and I looked up some things I want to share as I go on the hike with you. This part of the trail from Witch Hazel meets up at this intersection, which, as you can see, we've got, with all the rain we got, is very muddy. But that part of the trail is Pine Tree, where I was at in times past. But we're going to walk down. This is where Pine Tree and Witch Hazel are combined together and lead back towards the lake trail. So as we make this way, I'm going to share a quote every once in a while. And these are inspirational quotes for you students who have finished your year of study. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. From Eleanor Roosevelt. Although no one can go back and make a brand new start, anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. Karl Bard. As a year comes to an end, don't look back on yesterday's disappointments. Look ahead to God's promises yet to unfold. Look back. Laugh, cry, and remember. Here's one from Sonia Rigotti. Surrender to what is, let go of what was, have faith in what will be. I used to be a teacher before I started working year-round at Camp and Retreat Ministries, and I often think of my year-end of experiences. So this quote I say on behalf of all your teachers. I'm glad I was your teacher. I've come to love you so. I can't believe the end is here. I hate to see you go. Remember all the fun we've had in all the things we did. But remember most of all, you're a special kid. And that quote certainly, I think, goes to any level of student that you are. Malcolm X shared, "Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today." Kid, you'll move mountains. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So go get on your way. It's from Dr. Seuss. I'm going to focus on my walk here because I'm going to go off trail from the lake trail, which we just joined to. And I'm going to go down to the lower shoreline trail so that you can see the lake. And I'm going to end with my last quote. Can you see it? The lake has a gentle movement with the breezes that are here today. One of my favorite quotes. "Oh, the places you'll go. You've got brains in your head. You've got feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Kid, you'll move mountains." From Dr. Seuss's Oh, the Places. Hello, friends. I'm back. This is the spotty area of the lake. In the area that's the cove. Enjoy your day. I pray that you've had a wonderful morning and you can share in the calm and serene view of the lake. Bless your day. Join us next week as we continue our hikes around Sky Lake. God bless.